This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Honda Pilot. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, roof rails, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a power driver's seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 44,000 miles on the odometer. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what is left on the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.